Hello everyone, myself Mr. Valmik Tanpure and this is my channel Education Tech TVR. If you like this video then please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel and please see the video till the end. If you have do not understood, repeat the video 2-3 times. Now in probability exercise number 23 we are going to study some problems. Now we are going to see the question number 11 now today. Question 11. Question 11 contains 6 identical black balls. 6 identical black ball. Bag contains 6 black balls. So we have to find the probability. A child withdraw one ball from the bag without looking into it. What is the probability that it takes a white ball and black ball? First we have to see probability for white ball. Probability for white ball. So which will be, we have to find favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Total outcomes. There is the white ball? No. So there is a 0 chance. And total outcomes are how much given? Total outcomes, these are the 6 is equal to 6. So is 0 upon 6. So it means it is the 0. So what is the probability for it? It is the 0. That means we can say probability for the white ball is equal to 0. Then probability for the black ball, we have to find this first, then second one, probability for black balls. So how many black balls are there? Favorable outcomes, favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So it will be 6 out of 6 means 1. Probability will be the 1. Now we will see the question number 13. Okay, question 13. See, what is the question 13? A book contains the 92 pages. Okay, a book contains the 92 pages. A page is chosen from the random. What is the probability that the sum of the digits in the page number will be is the 9. So number of pages is equal to 92. So that means it is the total outcomes. These are the total outcomes. Now we have to find probability for, what is the probability that the sum of the digits in the page number is 9. In the page number is 9. That means sum of the page number should be the 9. So number of pages, those are having their sum 9. We have to find that numbers first. Okay, so numbers required is equal to, first will be the 9, then second will be the 18, then 27, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 81, 72, 81 and 90. Okay, so these are the numbers, these numbers having the sum 9. So we have to count these numbers. How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So total how many numbers? 10 numbers. Okay, how many numbers? So we have to find the probability. So probability for the required event, which will be the 10 upon how many total number of pages, which will be the 92. So 10 upon 92. Then this number can be divided by 2. 5 and 46. So 5 upon 46. This is our probability. Got it now? Now after that we will see the question number 15. Question number 15 we will see. Now see here in question 50, from 10 identical cards, total outcomes will be the 10. Total outcomes will be the 10. 12 identical cards, the number from 1 to 10. The numbers from 1 to 10. One card is drawn at a random. Find the probability that the number on the card drawn is a multiple of 2. So multiple total numbers, that means total outcomes will be the 10. Then so we will write it. What are these numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we have to find the probability for. What probability we have to find? First one. The first probability, favorable outcomes. Okay. The drawn is multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So probability for 2, which will be, or we can say probability for E. Probability for 2, or you can say E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 upon total outcomes, how much? 10. 5 upon 10. So which will be the 1 upon 2. Then second one. The second one is given multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. So 3, 6, 9. So probability for 3, which will be 3 upon 10. 3 upon 10. Then third one. Okay. The third one, multiple of 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So which numbers are multiple of 2 and 3? So which will be the 6? Only 6. So probability for 2 and 3, which will be 2 and 3 is equal to only 6. Which numbers are multiple of 2 and 3? Only 6. So 1 upon 10. Then fourth one we will find. Okay. The fourth number will be, we have to find that probability. First, probability multiple of 2 or 3. First we will write multiple of 2 or 3. Multiple of 2 or 3. So which numbers are 2 or 3? So both we have to find. Multiple of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And multiple of 3, which will be the 3, 6 we have written, 9. Okay. So how many numbers are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 numbers are there. How many? 7 numbers are there. So probability for 2 or 3, which will be the 7 upon 10. So got it now? So this is fourth one. Now after that we will see the question number 17. Question number 17 will be there. A die is thrown once. What is the probability to getting a prime number? Die is thrown. Die is thrown once. So what we will get? 1, What is the possibility? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So first one we have to find probability for prime number. So how many prime numbers? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 out of how much is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 out of 6. 1 ja, 2 ja, 1 upon 2. Then second one, probability for number greater than 3. Probability for number greater than 3. So number greater than 3. So greater than 3 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers are there. 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3. How many numbers are there greater than 3? 3 numbers are there. So 3 out of 6. So it will be also 1 upon 2. How it is? 1 ja, 2 ja. Then third one, a number other than 3 and 5. Number other than 3 and 5. We have to leave these numbers. So except 3 and 5, leave this 3 and 5. So total are 6. 2 we have left, so 4 are remaining. So 4 out of 6. 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, that means 2 upon 3 is the probability. Then fourth one. What is the fourth? A number less than 6. We have to find number, probability for number less than 6. So less than 6, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there. So 5 out of 6. Okay, total are 6. Then fifth one, a number greater than 6. Probability for number greater than 6. Greater than 6, how many numbers are there? See here, no number is there greater than 6. So 0. 0 out of 6. So probability will be the 0. Got it now? Now here we will see some another question. Okay, another one we will see the 18 also. Question number 18. This is somewhat different. 2 coins are tossed together. 2 coins are tossed. 2 coins are tossed. Okay, 2 coins are tossed together. So find the probability when 2 coins are tossed. So what will happen? First we have to find that it may be HH, it may be H-tail, it may be tail, or it may be tail head. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 possibilities are there. So that means total outcomes. What is our total outcomes? Which will be the 4. Total outcomes will be the 4. So first we have to find exactly one tail. Exactly, probability for exactly one tail. Exactly one tail means, okay, it will be the 2. How it is? It may be head tail or tail head. Head tail or tail head. So we can write the probability for event. So 2 out of 4, that means 1 upon 2. Then second one, at least one head. At least one head. At least one head means head, tail head, head tail. So how much which will be? 3. These are 2, these are 3. So we have to find the probability for the event, which will be the 3 out of, total outcomes will be the 4. 3 out of 4. Sorry, 3 out of. Then third one we have to ask. No head. no head. How many possibilities are there? Only tail. Only tail. So that means it is only 1. So probability for event which will be 1 out of 4. 1 upon 4. Got it now? Now, so out of that, what we have to find again? Fourth one is remain. The fourth one will be we will see the fourth one. At most one head. At most one head. So what is the possibility to one head? At most one head. That means it may be head, tail, or head, tail. In each case there is a one head. So which is 3. So probability for event which will be 3 out of 4. So got it now?